Ordering, receiving, and distributing inventory for multi-store companies. Creating a purchase order is the quickest way of entering items in the system and ordering them at the same time. To create a new purchase order, click on Purchase Order and select Purchase Order List. This screen displays the list of all current purchase orders. An order can be entered in one of two ways: New PO or by using a PO worksheet. Worksheets are easier and faster, especially for large data entries. This is how a PO worksheet looks like. Let's clear it and create a new one. Start by selecting a supplier and entering their PO number if applicable. Select if you're receiving centrally and then transferring to other stores, or if the supplier ships directly to each store. You can change the ship to address. Then assign a season for this order. This completes the header section. Then click on Primary Sizes button. Choose the primary size group that applies to the style. A purchase order worksheet allows creating a different size matrix for different styles, all in one worksheet. Under the Style Number field, select an existing style or create a new one on the fly. Similarly, select a color or create one on the fly. Note that the system can be set up to show colors that have been ordered before. Multiplex Fashion allows for different color listings and assigning each one to one or more suppliers. You can also assign secondary sizes. Simply enter the quantities you want to order for the selected lines in the matrix. Then save. For the next order line, if you are ordering the same style but a different color, simply copy the line above and change the color and fill in the quantities for the sizes being ordered, and continue with new order lines until all colors for this style are ordered. Now we can add the next size matrix if the style comes in horizontal and vertical. In this example, the length in seam. You may also add another style with a different size matrix. Notice how a new row with a new range group appears. Now we can add a new style or select an existing style. This time we're adding a new style. When a new style number is entered, a pop-up appears allowing you to enter the basic details. You can print a snapshot report at any time to see how much you're spending per category. Now click on the Make PO button to create a purchase order. This also creates part numbers, allowing you to print labels for every item. Now the purchase order is created with the status marked as preparation. For selected style, the details are shown on the right side. You can still add more items to the purchase order or make changes. When you are ready to confirm the order, click Confirm. When the merchandise arrives and you want to receive as complete, then click on Receive All. Multiplex Fashion allows partial receipt of inventory or make changes to quantities or prices at any time of receipt. If you buy from other countries, note that the duties and buying conversion factors will affect the landed cost accordingly. Multiflex Fashion is a flexible and intuitive solution that can handle a variety of ordering scenarios. You can print the purchase order reports and snapshot reports at any time. Tags may be printed on zebra label printers, on a roll with many options, or they may be printed on laser printers using Avery standard labels. You may customize and select the type of information to appear on tags or labels. Multiflex RMS head office can transfer stock to other stores accurately and efficiently. To transfer from inventory, simply go to Transfer Order and start a new transfer. Select the receiving location. You may now transfer the inventory list from a PO or simply by scanning items to create your transfer order list. You may enter or select the PO number from the drop-down list. A list will be populated showing the quantity you are transferring for all items, allowing you to change these values on the fly. Once satisfied with the quantities, you may click Order, then Send. The inventory at sending location is reduced accordingly. A variance will be reported while the items are in transit and will be corrected when they are received by the receiving store according to what they receive. Transfer reports are available in both matrix and detailed formats. Tags may be printed by either the sending location or the receiving store. The head office can print tags for any store, but each store can print tags for its own inventory and prices. You are done with this transfer. To save time for similar transfers to other stores, you may copy this transfer order and make necessary changes to it. Select Receiving Store, double-click on transfer number 49, make changes. Click on Order and finally click on Send. You may view reports at any time. Transfers can also be performed by pre-allocating orders for each store at the time of order. In PO Worksheet, you can allocate an order to other stores. You can receive all your merchandise at your warehouse and automatically transfer them to your stores according to the pre-allocated quantities. Note that you can select a different location and order your desired quantity per style per location. Quantity and prices may be changed at any time before transferring to stores. When you click on Make PO, the order will show the details of the order for all stores. For each selected style, the details are shown on the right side. Orders can be received completely or partially. Click on Confirm, and when the merchandise arrives, click on Receive All. Pay for the shipping and handling charges accordingly. You may view reports at any time. Now you can transfer orders by simply clicking on the Transfer button. This will create transfer orders according to the pre-allocated quantities for other stores in this purchase order. To pick, pack, and ship the items, open the Transfer Orders screen and select the desired transfers. Make final changes if required, then confirm the transfer by clicking Order and then Send. You can print the packing list in matrix format or in detailed report, and send it with the merchandise to each store. For more information, please email us at info@mhsystems.com or contact us at 905-470-1008.